Hi, my name is Hannah Raycraft, founder, CEO, and operator of Spera Foods. This is the kitchen that we make all of the magic happen. So this part of the kitchen is where we do most of our packaging. So when we first come, I open up all the bags while April gets all of the ingredients into a big mixing bowl to be mixed. These are the bags that we use for Spera Foods products. They are made out of rice paper, so they are 100% recyclable. The stickers as well are just made out of paper, so those can be recycled. The stickers I'm getting printed at a local company here in West Michigan, so it's fun to support another local company. When I was deciding what I wanted Spera Foods products to go in, it was important to me to have something that was eco-friendly and recyclable, and I also just love the way that the white bags look. It looks clean and fresh and reflects well with what we're putting inside. So over here is where we measure all the ingredients out, and we have a scale that we put each ingredient on so that each recipe, each batch we make is super consistent. We have a process down to the T of how we make sure that is all perfect. And then over here in the big mixer is where we mix it all together, and even that is down to a science where we have to make sure it's mixed for long enough, but not too long so that it hits the right consistency. This is where we bake the granola. This oven is nice, it's really big, so we are able to fit a ton in there at one time, enough to make about 100 or more bags. And then after it's baked and cold, we bring it back over here and package it all up. This is where we package all of our products. We have a scale that we measure out each bag so that we make sure it's not under the advertised value, which is 8 ounces. After 8 ounces have been put into each bag, we heat seal them so that they stay closed and stay fresh, and then we ship them out and bring them to farmers markets, send them to Amazon, send them to stores, places that you can buy them.